best electronics multimeter that work quite good. You can also find their details like major features and options in our buying guide to easily differentiate between them. This will allow you to buy the perfect electronics multimeter for your needs. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. Etekcity MSR R500. We wanted to like the Etekcity MSR R500. However, there just weren't enough positives to outweigh all the negative features. It can test for all the usual metrics, including DC current, voltage, resistance, continuity, and more. This makes it pretty suitable for most professionals, since you will be using a wide variety of different measurements on the job. The backlit display is easy to read, and it has a built-in support stand, which is always a nifty feature. The machine is protected from overloading as well, and a rubber sleeve provides some protection against drops. One of the big problems we ran into with this meter is that it cannot be used to test AC current. This is going to be a problem for professionals who never know exactly what they're going to be reading that day. You would need to purchase a different multimeter for AC currents, which just means you'll have to spend more money. The leads are also quite low quality, much lower than we were expecting at this price point. Accessing the battery is also incredibly difficult, which is absolutely unnecessary. They obviously did not think it through when designing this meter. Number 4. Crenova MS8233D. The Crenova MS8233D is a decent multimeter. It has a built-in double fuse, which protects it from overloading on all ranges. This is a great safety feature that also improves the longevity of the machine. It features an auto-ranging feature, but not a manual option. This may not be a big deal to some people, but it is a feature most other multimeters on the market have. The backlight display is decent and makes it easier to read in dim areas. This multimeter runs on a 9V battery. One does come with the multimeter, but you will need to change it regularly. While these factors are great, this multimeter is very slow. This is one reason why we rated it so low. It just isn't worth the money based on how slow it reads. It can be difficult to read changes or intermittent signals because of this. You basically just have to get lucky. There is nothing to hold the leads, so when you put it up, you'll need to use bread ties or something similar to keep it neat and orderly. Number 3. Fluke 117 multimeter. The Fluke 117 is a cheaper variation of our premium pick. It is most suitable for non-contact voltage detection, though it can also measure in a variety of other modes too. It has a low input impedance, so it won't provide false readings due to ghost voltage. It also has a large, white LED backlight. It is very readable in dim areas, perfect for electricians who may not always be working in the best light conditions. Furthermore, it has true RMS technology for very accurate readings. In fact, it is about as accurate as any of the others we've reviewed thus far. It has a long battery life of over 400 hours without using the backlight. The backlight will run the battery down faster. It has a 3-year warranty, which is about average for these tools. There are very few negatives regarding this meter. It just doesn't have some of the features that many of our top picks do, which is why it is rated so much lower than some other options. One of the few negatives we found was that the backlit screen is a bit harder to read than other options. The contrast between the screen and the numbers is not significant. Number 2. AstroAI WH5000A. You may not be planning on using a multimeter very much, or you may be looking to spend as little money as possible. Either way, the AstroAI WH5000A is the best budget option currently on the market. It can do a wide range of tests, including voltage, current, resistance, continuity, frequency, and everything else you may need to measure. Despite its low price, it has professional-level features, including measuring both AC and voltage. It is made for professionals but is at a much lower price than some other options on the market. In fact, we think it's the best multimeter for electronic technicians for the money. You'll also like how easy it is to use. It has a large LCD backlit screen, auto shutoff, and a hanging magnet. The designers had customers in mind when designing this multimeter. It also has a 3-year warranty, which is always a nice plus. One point of note, the frequency counter upper limit is actually 16 MHz, not 60 MHz, as the description states. Number 1. Klein Tools MM700. The Klein Tools MM700 is equipped with automatic ranging true root mean square, RMS, technology. This allows it to very accurately measure all sorts of things, including voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, and a large variety of other points of measurement. It is a great all-in-one option because of this. It can measure everything an electronic technician might need. It is also built to withstand regular drops and daily wear and tear. It is quite durable, so you can expect it to last quite a long time. It has a low impedance mode for identifying and eliminating ghost voltage, making it even more accurate than some other options on the market. Out of all those we reviewed, this is the best overall, mostly because of its high accuracy and durability. You really can't get better than this one for the money. The main downside of this multimeter is that it cannot measure over 10A. For some people, this is going to be a problem. If you need to measure over this amount, you should probably look elsewhere. For everyone else though, this is the best multimeter you can purchase. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.